Welcome back to the channel. Cargo securing angle, a fundamental principle in cargo lashing that determines the efficiency and effectiveness of securing gear. This isn't just about applying tension, it's about applying tension at the correct angle to maximize the restraining force and prevent cargo movement at sea. The forces acting on cargo are complex, including transverse forces from the ship rolling side to side, and longitudinal forces from pitching fore and aft, all compounded by vertical forces. To effectively counteract these forces, a securing arrangement must provide restraint in multiple directions. The lashing angle is the angle formed between the lashing material, whether chain, wire, or belt, and the horizontal plane of the deck or the cargo itself. The efficiency of a lashing force in restraining horizontal movement is inversely proportional to the tangent of the lashing angle. This means that a lower lashing angle provides a much greater restraining force against sliding, the most common mode of cargo failure. As a general rule derived from the CSS code, the IMO code of safe practice for cargo stowage and securing, the ideal lashing angle for preventing sliding is considered to be between 30 degrees and 60 degrees to the horizontal. An angle much steeper than 60 degrees, approaching the vertical, becomes highly ineffective against sliding because most of the tension force is directed downwards, increasing the friction but providing minimal horizontal restraint. Conversely, an angle much shallower than 30 degrees, approaching the horizontal, provides excellent horizontal restraint but requires longer lashings and is often impractical due to stowage constraints and the difficulty of applying adequate tension without lifting the cargo. For restraining tipping or lifting, the vertical component of the lashing force is more critical. Therefore, lashings intended primarily to prevent tipping should ideally be at a steeper angle, though they should still be configured to provide a necessary anti-sliding component. The overall securing plan, detailed in the ship's Cargo Securing Manual, CSM, should employ a mix of lashing angles. Lower angles, closer to 30 degrees, are best for primary anti-sliding security, while higher angles are acceptable for anti-tipping security. The total number and strength of lashings must be calculated based on the maximum anticipated acceleration forces for the ship's size and trading area, ensuring the combined maximum securing load, MSL, of all gear is sufficient to counteract the calculated forces. Shipboard personnel must pay close attention to the geometry when rigging the lashings, ensuring securing points are utilized to achieve angles as close as possible to the optimal 30 to 60 degree range for maximum safety and compliance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.